Hello, welcome to the back-proof back app that I made for digitally making a copy of your COVID-19 vaccination record card. I already have it installed on my iPhone. It's actually an Android phone. What you're seeing on screen is the actual phone. So you go to the app. It's called Backproof. Start it up. After it loads, you'll be brought to a registration screen. This is only local registration, just so you know. And enter your full name. It stays on your local device. It isn't sent to anybody. Oop. What's going on? We'll just use my first name. For the purpose of this video, we'll just use user ID, a Q, and a password Q. Not recommended if you're going to use it on your phone. We're going to register. Now the important thing here is this image here is shown the first time. Once your database is completed, this will actually be a barcode, QR code, where somebody can scan it and get the text information of your actual COVID-19 data. So as I said, we use Q and Q. I'll show you that barcode when we're done here. Put in the rest of the name, I guess. Okay, my shot was done on 4/29, so I'll select that date. I actually had the Johnson & Johnson, so I will not need the second shot. Select your vaccine type. My card does have a lot of numbers. I'm just going to throw some numbers in here. Healthcare, I had mine done at Oasis Pharmacy in Stafford, Texas. Maybe shouldn't have. I do have the phone number, but I'm just going to put in some numbers right now. Again, when you're doing this on your own, you should put in accurate data. Okay, once you're done with that, click Save and Continue. Now it's looking for a picture of the front side of your registration card. I'll take a picture of the front side here real quick, show you how it works. Try to get as much of your card in here as you can. I don't really like that picture, so if you don't like it, you can take it again. Yeah. Hello, I made this app called Backproof. What it does is it makes a digital copy and backup copy of your COVID-19 vaccination card. In case for some reason you would lose it or it wears out, it's only made out of thin cardboard. So we'll go ahead and start it. It's already installed on my, you're actually seeing it on my phone, which is an Android phone. Has been tested on iOS also. So I'm going to enter my name up here. Alright, I'll pick a user ID. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to use Q. You wouldn't want to do this on yours. But, quick thought about this page here. If the database isn't showing, you see this image. We'll go back and I'll show you what it looks like after the database is completed. So we'll put in our username and password. We'll log in. Come to this page, vaccination data page. If you put your name on when you logged in, it'll automatically come here. When you got your shot, mine was 4/29. My particular shot was Johnson & Johnson, so I won't need a second shot. If you didn't get Johnson & Johnson, you will need to enter a second shot. Okay, so you type, I do have a vaccine lot number. I'm going to put numbers in for now for the video. Where'd you get your shot? This is pharmacy in Sugar Land, Texas. Close enough. I do have a phone number, but for this video, I'll just put in some numbers. Alright, once you get all your information, it's real simple. Just a few lines of code, save the data, and continue. Now it's going to ask to take a front side picture. Looking for your card. And take a front side picture. Try to get as much of the card in as you can. As long as you get all the information in there, that's the most important thing. Alright, I don't like that picture. I'll take it one more time. I just want to show you that you can. And it won't save the card until you tell it to save the card. Yeah, that's not perfect, but it's close enough. So we'll accept that picture. Now it's looking for a picture of the back side of the card. Put your card over. Take a picture of the back side of the card. Good enough. Nothing on the back of mine because I only had the one shot, so everything's on the front. So we'll accept that picture. If you look here, let me bring this down just a little bit, it's a little high. COVID-19 vaccination report. If I was to scan this with a scanner, I'd come up with I was vaccinated on 4/29 by the pharmacy using the vaccine Johnson & Johnson. It was fully vaccinated. I will show you this part of it in the next part of this. So for now, everything is good, so we can actually close the app. Okay, now we're going to go back and restart the app so you can see what it looks like once you have all your data in there. You can bring this picture down a little more so you can see more of the phone. Okay, now that you have a login, if I scan this, it would tell you that I was vaccinated on such and such a date by such and such a place. If anybody wants to log in to see detailed vaccine records, then you'll have to log in to show your records. It's just a backup. So we're going to log in again, Q, and then we come to this picture that you seen when we ended. We're going to show the vaccination record now. This gives you a picture of the front of the card, fairly large, so it's readable. And this will show a picture of the back of the card. One thing to note that this Android probably will put a picture in your gallery, but it's safe to delete the images if you feel the need that you don't want them there. So once this is all saved, it's all saved in your database. Alright, that's kind of it. Thanks, have a good day.